Hello everyone, just back with another video, and this time at the Springfield Corner Nature Reserve. Have a look at the very grotty sign. Can't read what it says, unless anybody else has better eyesight than I do. Sorry about the noise, but we are next to a busy road, and as you can see, with it being a nature reserve, people decide to use it as a dumpster. Whoa, whoa. We just had some dude pass me. Scared the hell out of me. But hey, you do get a lot of weird people around these parts. As I said, we're in a nature reserve located in Bulwell, which is in North Nottinghamshire, UK, for all the people watching outside of the UK. Yeah, unfortunately you do get some homeless people squatting around these parts as well. Don't think I'll make it a very long video, to be honest with you. And there you go, the River Leap. I'm pretty certain people like to leap out of here. Oh my word. Oh, getting attacked by wasps. On the raft. Yeah, I normally like nature reserves, but this particular one is not very appealing, and the fella I passed earlier on nearly scared the bejesus out of me. Now, if we go any further, we'll be reaching Moor Bridge tram stop. And I suppose this is the end of the line of the nature reserve. Whoa. Falling all over the place. And up ahead is the tram leaving Moor Bridge right now, headed towards Hucknall. Springfield Corner. And as you can see, this place hasn't really been maintained very well. Just goes through the just goes to the riverbank. Well, it's not exactly a riverbank, it's a tiny pond. Anyone looking for a carpet? Here's one here. So, on my way back. I don't know if it was that man's sleeping area where I passed, but I suppose this is a seating area for them. Yeah, as I mentioned, you do get some homeless people living in this nature reserve, and it's, as you can see, it's not being maintained by Nottinghamshire County Council. Oh, butterflies. Yeah, not really much to see. Ah, tissue papers. There's a big boulder there. Not sure where it came from, to be honest, as there's no hills here. Nope. Yeah, like I said previously, people have been using it for a bin. cargo, I'm assuming. Okay, headed back towards the entrance. Back towards the junk pile here. If there's anybody looking for some spare clothes, I'm sure you might find some around here. Here's another pile of clothing, as I showed you earlier on. But other than that, there's hardly anything more to see. Headed back towards the entrance. As we can see, there's a bin there, which is quite full and doesn't look like it's been emptied for God knows how long. Right, see ya.